Hey guys, it's Zina with Tullydecor, and today I wanted to jump on here and tell you guys some things that have made my process of making candles a lot easier. For example, I now use a Presto pot and I wick my vessels way ahead of time and I leave them over there. I did wanted to talk about the Presto pot a bit. So I have found using the Presto pot that I need to heat up my pouring pitcher, or I have had problems keeping the wax at that temperature that I like. I am going to pause because my wax is almost done. I'm making candles. So yeah, if you're using a Presto pot and you're having problems with the wax being at the temperature you need it to be when it's poured into the pouring pitcher, you may want to heat up your pouring pitcher. So I use my stove to heat up my pouring pitcher. So for my vessels, I take one wick, and I don't have my scissors. There it is. I take one wick sticker. Now this is only for my vessels. I take one wick sticker, cut it in half, and I use each one half on one wick and the other half on the other wick. And they seem to hold up. I haven't had a problem with it coming out, so that's good. But again, I only do that for my candles. I wouldn't do that on a candle that I'm selling. But you don't even need wick stickers really. You can use hot glue. So for my vessels where the wick is too short that I can't get one of the chip clips, I have these that I try and get them in. Sometimes I really don't, but again, these are my testing candles with fragrances that I have already tested before. And that's it. Also, the cool thing about having my vessels is my labels that I no longer use, I can just write it on here and then peel it off. It doesn't matter. So that's some of the stuff I've been doing to help my candle making process a lot quicker. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help me out a lot. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.